YouTube, it's your boy Alpha Trader. Woke up before 5 minutes before London session. I'm just going out and having some sunlight, and then we'll get straight to the markets and we'll show you guys. Guys, the session was started 5 minutes ago and I marked all my conferences on my charts and I just had a shower. Just want to tell you guys how I trade. I trade intraday session and I trade some of the ICT concept. In 3 months, I'm doing demo trading and I'm profitable till now. I made round about 6 to 8% in 3 months on my demo trading, and it's very hard to find my paid in the day. I rarely found 2-3 trades per week. So we're just going into the sessions. You guys know how I trade. As you can see, I marked all the sessions. I basically trade USD, JPY and Euro USD, and the third is Gold USD. I chose 3 pairs. It's be better to choose 1 or 2 pairs, but I just chose 3 pairs because in my strategy, it is very hard to find the trade. It keep beginner trader like me to stay away from overtrading and etc. I decided to film my all journey from day 1 from now to when I become profitable, or maybe after that, because I just want to see it, look it back when I become profitable trader, see how I struggled, and I want to leave my footprints on the YouTube. And I encourage all of you guys, film your day 1. I know you're not good, I'm also not very good in trading, but it encourages yourself to do better in trading. We'll show you guys all my trades, how I took it, and all the things I learned in a day. Now I'm profitable on demo for about 3 months, and I'm just going to buy a funded account in next week. As for my journey, I tried many businesses before. I'm 20 years old. After my 12th, I tried eBay dropshipping first. I made around about £2,000 and I shifted to organic dropshipping, and that was not working for me as of I live in this shit place. We are in Pakistan, we can't film good videos here. We need props and everything. So 4 months ago on the intraday trading, ending from the profitable traders mistakes. Every day I watch podcasts, I backtest for hours, and I encourage you guys to backtest. It increases your confidence so much to post daily till now. So what I learned in a day, subscribe, because it encouraged me to make more videos. As of how I learned the trading skill, I basically learned from TJR. You can search on YouTube. He teaches ICT concepts. You can see on his YouTube his free course Mastermind, mark liquidity of 1 hour and 4 hour, and just wanted price to go there. I mark in US Gold, USDTL, and third is Euro USD. Let's see if price goes towards there. So YouTube, most of the USD, JPY and Euro USD move is happened in the Asia session end, so we couldn't take that trade. Gold, that move is not going to happen, I think, right now. I think we are not getting any trade today. We will look for a trade tomorrow. So now I'm going to backtest a lot of days, and also I'm going to journal at the end of the trading day. As you can see I journal every trade, every day of the month, every day of a week till now when I started, and it's helping me a lot. Couldn't find a trade, but that's fine, because patience is key, and restricted trader is a profitable trader. I'm very restricted in trading until now. 3.5 months I'm still profitable. Need to go on demo before going on live to learn trading, and I am being profitable in demo, and I'm just going to buy a small funded account so I can test how my trading is going. And we'll see if I couldn't find more trades in this week. Maybe I add another pair so could find good trades. I only took A+ setup. Don't trade like B setup or A setup. I only trade A+ setups. So maybe I'll add another pair. We'll see. We'll give you update tomorrow, and we'll show you guys what else.